So the benefit of having the planned agreement with CAT is preventing the downtime.
You don't have to worry about anything. They'll take care of everything for you.
We've got extended run times on everything. Machines that are coming due by the book for a turbo replacement at 6,000 hours or whatever it may be, we're getting 8,000 hours out of them.
For me as an owner, it's a peace of mind that I know that the right parts are getting in, the parts that we need according to the hours are getting in. It saves time, a lot of time, and it's a professional working on your piece of equipment that knows that piece of equipment inside and out.
And we can schedule those repairs during project downtimes and in between projects so that we eliminate downtime of the equipment when it's needed to function on projects.
You don't have to worry about it. They call you, they say, hey, you're coming up, you're due. You know that the maintenance side of that machine is put to bed, it's taken care of.